Hello everyone, let me explain today. Our Machenike G6V2 controller. How to connect our PC via the 2.4G receiver. Okay, first, we also need to shift the mode behind the controller. Dial to the 2.4G mode. C2.4G. Okay, mine is already in the 2.4G mode by default. Then we use the included receiver. My receiver is just a sample. Let me give you a demonstration. We plug the receiver into the USB port of the computer. If you are a desktop, it is recommended that you plug the receiver into the front of the desktop. This way the signal will be better. Okay, we put the receiver. Plug it into the USB port. Now we need to press a button. A switch at the tail of the receiver. And then we synchronize. Press the pairing button on the controller. We press and hold the pairing button for 3 to 5 seconds. Okay, the controller indicator will flash in a flashing state. Now, the controller has entered pairing mode. Okay, you can see that our indicator light is always on. It means that our controller has been successfully connected. This is a simple 2.4G pairing method for connecting to a PC. Okay, it will automatically reconnect when next time we use it. Let me show you the back link. Well, we just have to click on the home button to turn on. Okay, the controller will automatically connect after turning on. Okay, if we need to use it in 2.4G mode, switch our controller to a switch protocol. At this time, we need to press and hold the back and start buttons on the front. Press and hold for 3 seconds to switch. Okay, you can see that we switched to Switch Pro mode. We press and hold for these 2 key combinations 3 seconds again. Now we switch to a base spectrum pattern. The name we searched for was Machenike G6V2. Okay, let's press and hold again. It cuts to the loop. We started with a PC mode, that is almost a 360 agreement. Okay, that's all for 2.4G connectivity.